In this video, we will be learning some simple statements of MySQL. In previous videos, we have already learned how to create table, how to insert, how to delete, how to drop tables. Now we are going to learn about limit statement and maximum and minimum value statement. First of all, let us open our command prompt as an administrator. After that, we will be directing our location to the MySQL folder, which is in my C drive. Inside the program files, MySQL, and again inside MySQL folder we have MySQL server which is 8.0, and again we have bin. Now we are in our location. Now we are going to log into our MySQL user, which is as a root user. For that we are going to enter MySQL hyphen h localhost hyphen u root and hyphen p. Now we are going to enter the password. Successfully we have entered in our MySQL. Now let us see our databases. Now today we are going to use a database called SQL. So for that we will be typing use SQL. Now we have changed the database, and for that, after that we will let's see how many tables are inside the database. There is only a table called student, so we will be using student. Now let's see the schema of student. There are only three fields, that is roll number, name and address, and the data types and their values. Now let us see the data what we have entered inside the student table. We have 6 records starting from roll number 2 and ends at roll number 7. Now let us use limit statement for that, and limit is used to specify the amount of data or records which we want to show or which we want to display. For that we will use select star from student, and limit is of 4 records. Now starting from 2 to ending from 5, we have set a limit of only 4 records, so it displays a record of only 4 students starting from 2 and ending from 5. Likewise, if we want to see the maximum roll number, for that we will be using select max, and inside that we will be writing our field name, which is roll number from student. The highest roll number is 7, as we can see here as well. We have a record up to 7 roll number, and the highest number is 7. Similarly, if we want to see the lowest, we can just alter this max to the min, and it will show the minimum value, that is 2. And if we want to make a separate field as a maximum value and as a minimum value. We can also create a maximum field, like select max roll number as maximum roll from student. Now we have a field name maximum roll and the value is of maximum roll number. Similarly, if we want to make a field for minimum, we can use min roll number as minimum roll from student. Now we have already create minimum field and the minimum value as well. Now this much for today. Thank you for watching the video.